Good morning, everybody. My name is Kash, and I work for Rick Case. I sell Hyundais and Genesis on the new side, and pretty much everything under the sun on the pre-owned side. Today, we're taking a look at the 2023 Tucson Hybrid, and this is the blue. So this is where the Tucson Hybrid starts. It is standard all-wheel drive. These a little bit different looking wheels. That lets you know it's a hybrid vehicle. And on the back, again, we'll have the hybrid moniker right back here for you guys. H-Track lets you know it's all-wheel drive. All of our hybrids at the moment come standard all-wheel drive on the SUV side, and this is the blue trim level here for you. On the inside, pretty nicely equipped. All your safety options are standard on the car. So for collision, blind spot detection, rear cross traffic, all those things are standard. Power seat is also standard on the vehicle for you, and you'll have the radar-based cruise control system on the right here, and then your lane keep assist options there. Wireless charger, again, another standard feature there. Pretty cool. I use it for my AirPods mostly. Heated seats will be here for you, standard. And then you also have the push button gear selector, which I like a lot. And then the dual climate control on the vehicle. Again, if you have any questions on these vehicles or concerns about anything, please feel free to call or text me directly. My cell phone number is 603-858-4511. Again, my name is Kash, and I work for Rick Case. Thanks so much, guys. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.